Cambodia, a land of rivers and open plains, lies at the heart of ancient trade paths linking China, India, and Southeast Asia. In recent years, this kingdom of wonder has pulled in Americans of all ages. Why are so many packing their bags for this vibrant country? Is it the sunny weather, the breathtaking Angkor Wat, or the low cost of living? Let's dive into the magic of Cambodia. What makes this place so special? The ancient temples, like Angkor Wat, are a huge draw, but there's more to the story. Cambodia's deep history, colorful traditions, and lively culture turn visitors into residents. For many, it's also about money. Cambodia's economy welcomes foreign workers and investors, offering chances to thrive in a growing market. The real charm? The Cambodian people. Their warm Khmer smile makes everyone feel at home. Whether you're exploring bustling markets or quiet villages, locals greet you like family. Plus, English is widely spoken in cities and tourist spots, thanks to a booming tourism scene and global businesses setting up shop. Here's a fun twist. Cambodia uses the US dollar as its main currency. This rare choice makes life easy for expats and business owners, keeping things stable and simple. No need to worry about tricky exchange rates. But is it safe? Absolutely. Cambodia's peaceful vibe and friendly atmosphere make it a top pick for those seeking adventure and a fresh start. From stunning temples to kind-hearted locals, Cambodia offers a life full of wonder, opportunity, and smiles that stay with you forever. Cambodia, a land with a heart full of history, shines as a beacon of hope today. According to the 2024 Institute for Economics and Peace study, which looks at safety, conflict, and security, Cambodia ranks 13th out of 19 Asia-Pacific nations and 73rd out of 163 worldwide. Is it safe to call this place home? For most, yes. Expats mainly worry about petty crimes or traffic mishaps, but overall, Cambodia feels secure and welcoming. What about its political stability? Cambodia's story stretches back 2,000 years, with treasures like Angkor Wat, Bayon, and the Grand Angkor Thom still standing tall. But the past wasn't always kind. Centuries of decline, French rule, wars, and a Japanese occupation shook the land. The darkest chapter came with the Khmer Rouge from 1975 to 1979, a brutal time that left deep scars. Around 1.5 million lives were lost, and the pain lingers in the hearts of many. Yet, Cambodia rises. In the 1990s, democracy took root, and the economy began to bloom again. The people embrace a powerful saying, "Don't fear the future, don't cry for the past." Today, Cambodia stands as a stable democracy. Its leaders, in power for decades, plan carefully to keep peace and progress alive. The focus? Building a brighter, stronger economy for everyone. From ancient temples to a hopeful tomorrow, Cambodia's journey grips the soul. It's a place where history teaches resilience, and every smile you meet pushes you to believe in a better future. This vibrant nation invites you to join its story of healing and growth. Cambodia sparkles as a land where dreams meet reality, especially for those seeking an affordable life filled with adventure. Why is this country a magnet for so many? It's simple. You can live well without emptying your wallet. International Living, a trusted guide for global living, has praised Cambodia for years. In 2019, it was named the world's most budget-friendly spot for retirees, 4 years running. In 2024, it claimed 14th place globally for retirees and a stunning second in Asia. So, how affordable is it? In vibrant cities like Phnom Penh or charming spots like Siem Reap, Kep, and Kampot, you can live comfortably for about $1,250 a month. That's a life full of comfort, culture, and excitement without breaking the bank. Retirees flock here, chasing adventure, new languages, or the thrill of travel. But the real pull? Lower costs paired with a richer life. Cambodia lets you stretch modest pensions or savings while enjoying a cozy, fulfilling lifestyle. What makes Cambodia such a steal? Everyday essentials come with unbeatable value and quality. Take clothing, for example. In bustling markets or quiet towns, tailors work magic. Pick your fabric, choose a style, and in just a week, you'll have a custom-made shirt and perfectly fitted pants for $30 or less. Need shoes? Local shoemakers can craft a pair that mirrors your favorite dress shoes for around $35. It's not just about saving money, it's about living a life that feels tailor-made for you. Cambodia's affordability wraps you in warmth and possibility. From vibrant streets to serene temples, every moment here feels like a gift. This is a place where your heart and wallet can both feel full, inviting you to start a new chapter in a land of wonder. Cambodia's charm pulls you in with its promise of a good life that doesn't cost a fortune. One big draw? A tax system that makes imported treats like American ice cream, French wine, or Australian meats easy to find in stores, especially in areas where expats gather. Grocery shopping here won't break the bank, yet you'll still enjoy top-quality goods. Big cities like Phnom Penh even have modern malls and Western-style shops packed with everything from fresh veggies to organic fruits. This mix of low costs and high living standards makes Cambodia a dream for retirees and expats. It's no wonder it's a top retirement spot. Plus, the country feels calm and safe, with a global peace index of 1.882, adding to its appeal. So, where should you settle? It depends on what you love. Phnom Penh blends old-world magic with modern perks. Its skyline sparkles with new buildings and busy shopping centers. Retirees here enjoy endless activities, from sightseeing to lively nightlife, with cozy places to stay. It's a city that has it all. Craving peace instead? Look beyond the capital. Coastal gems like Kep and Kampot or the quiet town of Siem Reap offer a slower, relaxed vibe. These spots have thriving expat communities and all the essentials you need. Siem Reap even boasts new airports and plans for a speedy expressway to Phnom Penh, with talk of a future railway. Living outside the capital often means lower costs too, without sacrificing comfort. Cambodia is a land of affordable wonders, where every day feels like a warm embrace. Whether you choose the buzz of the city or the calm of the countryside, this kingdom invites you to live richly for less. Cambodia's treasures pull you into a world of wonder, starting with Siem Reap, home to the breathtaking Angkor Wat. This UNESCO World Heritage Site, one of the largest religious monuments on Earth, stands proud as a seven wonder of the world. A must-see for all, its beauty leaves hearts racing. Just north lies Angkor Thom, the ancient imperial city, famous as the backdrop for Lara Croft's Tomb Raider adventures. Crowds flock here yearly, drawn to its magic. Angkor Wat's massive complex stuns with a 650-foot moat and a grand stone gate guarded by fierce lion statues. Its towers, shaped like the mythical Mount Meru, soar with intricate designs, including a seven-headed Naga. Built by 300,000 workers and 6,000 elephants, its sandstone blocks came from the sacred Phnom Kulen mountain. Every corner whispers history and awe. Beyond Siem Reap, Battambang, Cambodia's second-largest city, offers a peaceful escape. Its colonial charm and relaxed vibe draw expats craving a quiet life. With cozy restaurants, lively bars, and comfy hotels, it's a hidden gem for easy living. Then there's Kampot, a sleepy riverside town famous for its world-class Kampot pepper. Nestled near the Dam Ray and Bokor Mountains, it's a paradise for retirees who love nature's embrace. Tourists pour in, sparking a boom in top-notch restaurants and hotels that cater to those seeking a green, tranquil retreat. Cambodia's cities blend ancient wonders with modern comfort, offering adventure and calm in equal measure. Each place, from sacred temples to serene riversides, invites you to discover a life full of beauty and peace. Kep, a coastal gem near Kampot, sparkles with a nickname, the Saint-Tropez of Southeast Asia. Its 1960s New Khmer architecture blends bold modern lines with Cambodian soul, though some buildings, touched by the Vietnam War's shadow, stand as ruins or reborn treasures. Despite time's toll, Kep's calm beaches and lively crab market make it a retiree's paradise, where peace meets beauty. For ocean lovers, Sihanoukville calls like a siren. This bustling coastal city, Cambodia's top beach destination, welcomes everyone, locals, expats, and tourists. Whether you're chilling in a simple bamboo hut or lounging in a five-star hotel with a private shore, there's something for every wallet. The waves and sunsets here steal your heart. Getting around Cambodia's cities is a breeze. Ride-hailing apps let you zip through towns in a breezy tuk-tuk or a cool, air-conditioned car. Each city has its own magic, perfect for retirees craving either lively streets or quiet shores. Plus, adventure awaits just beyond Cambodia's borders. Vietnam, Laos, and Thailand are only a short trip away, ready to explore. The cherry on top? Cambodia's visa process is a dream. Unlike many ASEAN countries, getting or renewing a visa here is simple and cheap, making it easy to settle into this welcoming land. From Kep's serene shores to Sihanoukville's vibrant beaches, Cambodia offers retirees a life tailored to their dreams. Every corner of this kingdom pulses with charm, inviting you to live fully, freely, and affordably in a place that feels like home. Cambodia welcomes retirees with open arms and an easy visa process that sparks excitement for a new chapter. Foreigners can enter with a $35 E-type ordinary visa, good for 1 month, available at the airport or online. Some may need a few extra papers, but it's simple for most. For those not working in Cambodia, a yearly retirement extension keeps things hassle-free, letting you stay longer with ease. Under 55, you'll need to show proof of early retirement like pensions or savings to qualify. It's a key step to settle in. Over 55, a visa agent can handle the extension without any extra documents, making it a breeze. Cambodia blends adventure, low costs, and better healthcare into a Southeast Asian dream. It's a retiree's paradise, full of vibrant culture and calm shores. What do you think? Is Cambodia the perfect retirement spot, or are there better places to explore? Share your thoughts below, give a thumbs up if you loved this, and subscribe for more.